I am actually a homosexual. I make love to my cats. I screw my aquariums. I'm stuck in Vietnam. Would you hire me for credit repair? Hell no. I'm a scammer. No, I don't own anything. I rent a tiny loft-style studio far outside the city in Vietnam, so it runs me about $250 US dollars per month. Or to put it another way, 1/4 of one average scam. It's very easy for me to live here with no money. People ask me if I can afford to live in the United States, and the short answer is no, and I'm wanted anyway, so I can never come back to the US.